So we have this Charger Hellcat. We did a Whipple, built motor on. Customer broke in the vehicle. We're doing the final tuning stages. We also added a drop-in fuel system that the customer brought to us. So we're just making sure all the fuel's looking good. So we're going to do another full and see how everything looks.
Here.
In the eye?
Yeah. Where do you think? In the mouth? On the eye?
Probably the eye.
The eye, right? Ah, that shit came all the way down. Here, cause
Alex hasn't called?
no, you call you or what?
My phone died, so no set.
Oh, no. Go down. When it come like this, really gotta play with the angle. Like, hey, homie.
This must be your car, huh?
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Hey, you gotta go watch me on YouTube, homie. Give me a subscribe and at the same time give me a like all the videos. You get me what I'm saying?
Are you on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Melvino?
I can teach you how to do everything. Even if you want to go to the moon, my boy, and the Camry, we go to the moon. Yes, sir.
It's in the shop.
Oh, it's in the shop? I'm motherfucker, I'ma go and...
They rebuilding top and bottom.
Oh, for real? Not more chili? Oh, yeah, man. Homie, so we the motherfucking full blunt for the motherfucking win, man. I'ma glue it, and then I'ma run the line. So make sure it's not coming out, you get me? Cause there's gonna be a lot of pressure here.
Hey, Mel,
Yo!
think about the Super Rules.
The Subaru? But depends what kind of Subaru.
What kind? What kind?
The
SUV?
STI.
Yeah.
STI.
The Subaru, the STI.
Yeah.
That's the shit.
Yeah, 2.5 turbo, homie.
Oh yeah.
Always drive.
What? 24? They got them in.
Yeah, they had them. Yeah.
2024. What is it? They ain't cross towns or what?
They kind of like those Porsche motors.
Sport
Boxer.
Yeah, they
The
little
piston,
though.
they had it like this. They not go like this.
They tight though, huh?
But they go like this. But the main, homie, is different.
Which one you say, the Subaru what?
The STI. Gotta make that fitting like this. If I put the hose, because I had a straight one, but the hose, it doesn't reach because it's straight like this. I make like a 90. I want to see what I'm gonna do. But it gotta be 100% safe because this is a lot of pressure that we're gonna have. Like 100 PSI, easy. So let me see if I can find a fitting. No, we're gonna make it, but let's see. He don't have no big pulley, like it's more, he got a, like 285, so he might make like almost like close to the 900 and something, but if you really want to make 1,000, he gotta put it like a 260. He made 1,000 plus something.
20 mil coming in hot, man.
Oh yeah, man, we coming with the scat, homie. Let's see what's the deal. 1320, man. Oh yeah, like a 900, but with nitrous and a smaller pulley, you can make like good 1100. Piston and rod, like the stock, they don't hold it like. We had a Hellcat spraying like 250. We raised that motherfucker bar, and we never had a problem.
Yeah,
They
so
were
you gotta
like
make 'em
lighter.
faster.
Shit, imagine. But this motherfucker is heavy, 5,000 pounds, and plus your ass. I don't know how was your weight. You get me, so that's an extra. Oh, whoa! The control is turning on, but I gotta put the relay because everything like the solenoid, we're gonna control the module right here, but we need to control the power with the relay, so it's not gonna get like too hot. This one, like, it's gonna clean the bolt. Or it has to come with a fuse. From the fuse to the relay, in this case, to the nitrous control. Same way for the heater. We use another relay for the torch. You see what pulley has? Oh no. This one's gonna make 1,000 plus something, homie. 426 with a 3.0 Whipple. But we've been fixing stuff because we really didn't build that whole build. We just put the Whipple because before it had a Kenny build. So now we've been fixing the whole fuel system basically. Now we're gonna, it was like kind of like regular fuel system, but now we're gonna make it like a L4. So we gotta put fill lines straight to the fuel rail, then the return to the regulator and send it back to the tank. I need more fuel because it's making more power. That's what we're doing, man. The homie coño right now. Right, coñito?
Así estamos en eso.
Oh yeah, man. And track out, bro. Woo! It's otro pedo. How you feel it when it's like all-wheel drive is completely different, like a two-wheel drive. Take off, it's like a roller coaster. You feel your balls right here. Hey, that fool make a right and from nowhere, but with a fat ass hack. Like what? I was like, what the fuck? The whole shit I feel in my neck, bro. Like, what the fuck?
What car is that in?
Unexpected, you know?
What car was that in?
It's a track car. But always drive, the G4, you feel it. It's like, that's what Tesla, they take off, like the electric motor, they had a lot of torque. You get me? This car has a lot of torque. 4 horsepower too, but the torque, you feel it like instant. So what about, what we gonna do with this one? Come on, vamos a poner. This one don't post it, we're gonna raise yellow jacket. Don't post the numbers.